Hi, it's Loren Rosenberg, Sales Experience Manager for Larry Miller Genesis. I want to just take a minute to show you one of the many features that are included with as standard equipment for all Genesis models. Let's say you want to take advantage of our amazing spring training here in the Phoenix area. Well, there are two ways you can get to the ballpark. You can look up the ballpark on your phone, find the address, type it into your GPS, and be on your way. Well, that would certainly work. Using the Genesis Connected Services link to Google is a much easier way to go. You simply push the button on the mirror, wait for the prompt.
Name of the point of interest.
Diamondback Spring Training Baseball. Wait for it to load, select your location, start your guidance.
Your route is being calculated.
Head to the ballpark. I'm excited to show you this and all of the other features in all of our Genesis models. Please give me a call. My name is Loren Rosenberg, 480-750-1786. We can't wait to see you at Larry Miller Genesis.